to Stone Mountain Park to walk up the mountain and lost power in my car. I got a tow truck. They brought me over to Tilly Mill Auto Service Center. Danny and his guys did some diagnostic work, determined that it was the fuel pump. They gave me a quote of a couple days to get it done, which you know is terrible in Atlanta being without your car, but they got it done quickly. They gave me a fair price. They were very honest, made me feel comfortable as a female that I understood what was going on with my car, and I would recommend them to my friends.